Hey everyone, it's Leah from Hair Every Day. Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve those gorgeous beach waves using a flat iron. And I've also handpicked the 3 best flat irons for this style. First off, let's talk about beachy waves. They're that perfect blend of relaxed and chic, great for any occasion. And guess what? You don't need a curling iron or a hair waver for this. Before you start, make sure your hair is healthy and product-free. And always heat up your flat iron to the highest setting. Getting those beach waves might take a bit of practice, but don't worry, I've got some tips to help you out. Start by prepping your hair. Apply a heat protectant spray to your hair, especially if you have heat-damaged or dry hair. Next, divide your hair into 1 to 2 inch sections. For each section, clamp the hair in the flat iron at an angle and twist the iron away from your face. Then, gently slide the iron down the section of hair, keeping the twist intact. Repeat this motion until you reach the ends of your hair. Once you have curled all of your hair, let it cool for a few seconds. Then, run your fingers through your hair to loosen the curls and create a more natural wave. Now, let's talk about choosing the right flat iron for beach waves. It's crucial to get this right to avoid any hair mishaps. Consider your hair type, moisture lock, temperature settings, plait material, and hair length. These factors will help you make the best choice. Let me introduce you to my top 3 flat irons for achieving those beachy waves. Effortless Pro Ionic Flat Iron. This titanium flat iron is a game changer. It's versatile, controls temperature, and adds amazing volume and shine. Just be mindful of the cord length. Conair Ceramic Flat Iron. With its intelligent power-off safety feature and ceramic base, this one's a winner. Plus, the 30-day return policy is a nice touch. Remington Anti-Static S5500 Flat Iron. This flat iron with titanium plates is a breeze to style with. It even has an auto shut-off function for safety. Just watch out for those quick heating plates. There you have it. Achieving those beautiful beach waves with a flat iron is totally doable. Just remember to choose the right one for your hair type. And for my top recommendations, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hair tips and product reviews. Until next time, happy styling!